The new year brings with it new e-commerce business ideas that will assist entrepreneurs in staying ahead in a competitive market. Welcome to our channel, E-commerce Know-How. Here are some new e-commerce business ideas for the new year. Number 6. Beard oil. Beard oil, believe it or not, is an ancient concept dating back thousands of years. However, in today's market, it is a beard oil product that is exploding as more men grow beards and seek inexpensive, effective ways to care for what they have. With nearly 40% of American men sporting a full beard or mustache, the market is highly competitive. However, the beard oil market is rapidly expanding, which means there is plenty of opportunity for new entrepreneurs and income seekers like yourself. You can conduct research to find the best beard oil for the market you want to sell to. And social media platforms are a great way to market such products, especially if you use the right images and video to back up the beard oil's effectiveness. Number 5. High-intensity interval training equipment. There is no doubt that HIIT is becoming increasingly popular among those looking to get in shape and lose weight. This is due to the fact that high-intensity interval training is short in duration, but very effective in terms of building lean muscle and burning excess fat. While some HIIT exercise programs do not necessitate the use of special equipment, others do, such as fitness mats, jump ropes, medicine balls, weights, dumbbells, and others. There are companies that sell such equipment and can be used as a drop-ship source. This means you don't have to store the equipment. Simply sell it and collect the commission. HIIT equipment is currently a growing market with plenty of room for entrepreneurs with a small startup budget and access to Facebook and Google Ads. Number 4. Selfie drones. Small, low-cost drones that take selfies are one of the more intriguing developments. Instead of a selfie stick, a drone can capture images or video from a variety of angles. This business model has a lot of potential because this type of drone can be easily carried and used by most people. Furthermore, they are ideal for farmers and ranchers, as well as wedding photographers who want a stunning view of the ceremony, hobbyists, and even children using toy drones. Because you can tailor your business to meet the needs of your local market, selfie drones are an intriguing e-commerce business. Number 3. Smartwatches. Smartwatches have grown in popularity over the last few years, making them one of the most profitable new e-commerce business ideas. The market for smartwatches is expected to more than double over the next year, providing entrepreneurs with a fantastic opportunity to capitalize on what smartwatches can do. Smartwatches' capabilities have greatly expanded, from planning out the day to tracking steps. This means that more people see them as a viable alternative to smartphones for certain tasks, such as exercising or keeping track of projects. Because of the numerous options, you can tailor your marketing efforts to a marketable niche. Number 2. Power banks. For those who plan to be in areas where getting power for their mobile devices is difficult, a power bank is the ideal solution. Power banks are a relatively new concept that has been exploding on the market as a result of the widespread use of smartphones and tablets. Today, more than 80% of people who surf the web do so on mobile devices, so the power bank provides an excellent opportunity for you to make significant sales. What distinguishes the power bank is that it is applicable to a wide range of people, from business travelers to those in remote locations, to those attending concerts, festivals, or events with limited electrical outlets to charge their devices. All you have to do is pick a niche and focus your social media ads, photos, and video marketing efforts. Number 1. Wireless earphones. While traditional wired earphones continue to dominate the earbud market, wireless alternatives have grown significantly in the last 2 years. With wireless earphones, those looking for a great e-commerce idea have a proven, marketable product just waiting for them as more people become comfortable with them and their cost continues to fall. Earphones are available in a variety of styles and purposes, from those who exercise to those who simply want to relax and listen to music. Because there are so many different styles, colors, and purposes, you can build your e-commerce business around a single niche and potentially make a lot of money. Furthermore, you can advertise on Facebook or Google Ads and combine it with video for maximum impact. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Are you ready to start your e-commerce journey in 2022? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.